1, 2, 3.
So we're here today to celebrate the reopening of McLean Central Park. It is a phenomenal park that's right next to the McLean Library and the McLean Community Center. It was open this winter after construction for about a year, and we're so excited that we're able to celebrate today.
If you didn't know, I might talk about it a lot. I'm a McLean native. I'm 39 years old, lived here most of my life, and this playground is so nice right now.
This park is packed on Saturdays, on evenings. It's a really great testament to how much work our staff put into designing it. This is what I call a complete park experience. It has something here for everyone. Fitness equipment for older adults, walking trails, this phenomenal playground that's behind me, areas that you can rent and have celebrations and events. It really has something here for everybody.
So I'd say a primary thing that we do is to make sure that funding is available, and we have a number of streams available to us that we can direct towards any given project. And while we're doing that, we'll work very closely with the Board of Supervisors, community leaders to make sure that our vision matches the needs of the community. And in some cases, like with McLean Central Park, we'll reach out to the community and private partners for philanthropic dollars. That's what really put this project over the edge, is the community brought in almost $500,000 to combine with public funds to make a really great playground and space for the community.
As I stand here today, I feel so much pride and gratitude. The playground is not just for us, it's for future generations, a lasting gift to McLean. Thank you for everyone who believed in this vision and helped make it a reality.
Well, it was definitely a community effort, and a bunch of moms came together. We resolved a problem that we saw that really would benefit the community and our kids, and couldn't be prouder of what we've done.
And as moms, we know how much a great playground means to us and also the kids. And so we really just wanted to get involved and make our community better and make it, what we think our children deserve and what we deserve as a community.
For more information about this event and other things that the Park Authority has for you and your family, please visit our website.